Let's go, man. Hey, let's go, field trip. We're going on a field trip. Milo, come baby, baby, come. No. Oh, that's fine, that's old. Hey, let's go this way. Headed to the park. Emily went to go get snacks, and Milo completely passed out already. It's gonna be a good day.
I got him some vegetable straws.
I just pulled up the map before we're going.
Yeah.
Going where Milo and I went that one day, he slept the entire time, so it was kind of a bust then. But this might be a bust, and it said it's temporarily closed.
Story of our freaking lives when it comes to that stuff.
And here we are, just trying to have a little
You want to know why? It's because we keep trying to do stuff in April and March.
That's true.
Did he stay asleep?
He's asleep. Yeah. Sweet. Just little bumps in the roads.
All the time.
Look at this scenery. What a nice something to look at. Look at this. Milo, look! We're social distancing. There's nobody around. Yeah, man, there's a boat right there.
Is there really?
Is that that's a... Did you have a good nap? Come on, push. I know it tickles. Push. Here we go. Ooh, big sweaty boy.
This is nice.
You know what's funny?
What?
It's like we drove for like 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, let's not exaggerate. And like these backwoods roads, like trying to find this spot. And then we get pretty secluded. And then as soon as we get here, there's like somebody 100 feet away. Like we'd like drive down this crazy road to get to this campsite. And then there's like 6 other people.
There's always, because everybody feels like they're going to a secluded spot.
Oh, we got family ties. Dude, look at this spot. See, it's times like these that really make me miss the FJ. But then I'm excited because like we'll have the bus and we'll have all of the amenities, so we can like technically stay here for like 2 weeks next time. Yeah, look at this spot, Milo.
You find a stick? Rejected. Here, turn to mommy. Oh, so second.
Baby. Sand, grass, and we have the water. It's like a Tennessee beach.
about some sort of festival or something, and Milo goes like that. About jumps out of his seat.
We just realized that you can hear echoes. So Emily's doing an example of that right now.
Oh no.
Get you loud, real loud, real loud.
Milo! You want to yell?
You gotta do it.
Go.
Ew!
Milo!
Can you hear it?
Bless you.
When we first met, a simple text.
So as much as I want to say that the day ended well, it didn't. Like, we were having a really good time, and on the way home, Emily and I actually got in a really big fight, and we spent most of the day not talking, and then at like 9 o'clock, her and I sat down and we had like a really long conversation. And the only reason I want to share that with you is because I don't want to portray this like that everything's all good all the time. I mean, like, we're just regular people when we have our struggles, and it's okay that we have our struggles, and it's okay that we fight, and it's okay that we decide to not talk for a couple hours, and that we need to like, that we need time to ourselves to like figure out our thoughts and what we're feeling and how to get through it. And we had a really good conversation. We learned a lot. It's just funny, like, everything can go all good, everything can be all great for the majority of the day, and then one conversation can just go south. And I just wanted to share that with you guys because that's reality. And I hate the fact of, it makes me feel alone when I don't hear other people with their struggles. I feel like I'm not living the kind of life that most people are, and we're not. We're all living different lives, but we all have our struggles. And I want to, like, I don't know, I just feel alone when I'm dealing with things, and I don't want other people to feel that way. I want people to know that it's okay. It's okay to actually like talk about this stuff openly, and you don't have to huddle it in, you don't have to dismiss it. And I understand that nobody wants to share their sob stories and that nobody cares about your situations in life that you're struggling with, but like I do, and I do for my friends, and I do for my wife, and I do for everybody that's close to me, and for you guys too, honestly. Like, I just feel like there's not enough of it. There's not enough caring. Like, people always portray these images of everything's good and happy all the time, and that's just not the reality. I mean, Emily and I have been going through a rough time with living with family and jobs and doing this bus. Like, it's just a difficult time for us, and it's something that's really going to change our life kind of forever. I want to share it with you guys because I think it's important to say that that's okay. Like, I think it's important to have these struggles and to admit these struggles, because we're not alone. Like, we all have these problems and we all have these issues, and yeah, we had a big one yesterday, but we worked through it. We always decide to have a conversation, and we always trying to figure out what's wrong, why it was wrong, and we move forward from it and we learn from it. So yesterday was a high fluctuations in emotions and events, but I'm excited for the future, and I'm excited to continue to live life with her and with Milo and build this bus and do the jobs that we want and pursue happiness. And I think we're gonna, yeah, this whole happiness conversation is tricky. It's a big challenge, and I think we just need to start doing what makes us happy instead of pursuing happiness. Because I think if you keep searching for happiness, you're not gonna find it, as opposed to just enjoying the moment. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna do more talks like this, and we're gonna do school bus builds, and we're gonna do Emily's project, because Emily does cool stuff, and we go on day trips, and we spend time together as a family, and we have fights. And that's just the whole facets of life. So I appreciate you guys following along. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we'd really appreciate it, and share it with anybody that you think might be interested or that needs to hear that fighting is okay, struggling is okay, and that we just need to be there for each other, because we just need to be there for each other. So, all right, be good. Did you play in the lake today? What'd you guys do in quarantine? You got sticks to hit water.
Wow.
Real cool, Nelson. Real cool.